The XPENG AEROHT land aircraft carrier represents a revolutionary step in personal transportation, conceptualized as the world's first mass-produced modular flying car system designed to address modern urban congestion by seamlessly integrating ground and air travel. This innovative vehicle is composed of two distinct components: the ground module, referred to as the Mothership, which functions as a large six-wheeled extended-range electric vehicle, EREV, and the air module, a lightweight two-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. Aesthetically, the concept is immediately striking, featuring a futuristic, angular design finished in high-glossed metallic purple and light blue, complemented by aerodynamic closed-spoke wheels, perfectly suited for the advanced technology it houses. The Mothership utilizes an advanced 800-volt silicon carbide electric powertrain, boasting an impressive driving range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, and critically, it serves as a mobile charging and deployment platform for the aerial component. The detachable air module, constructed primarily from carbon fiber, is a six-rotor eVTOL aircraft stored autonomously in the Mothership's trunk. It is engineered for safety with distributed electric propulsion and features intuitive, simplified single-lever control for autonomous or piloted low-altitude flights. Designed to transition smoothly from road to sky, this system allows passengers to bypass gridlock entirely, with the eVTOL component offering a near 270-degree panoramic view for a truly immersive flying experience. This pioneering project, which measures approximately 5.5 meters in length, fits into standard parking infrastructure, is currently gearing up to open pre-orders with the ambitious goal of commencing mass production and customer deliveries by 2026.